Toyota is taking a bold step to ensure the legendary AE86 Corolla continues to live on. And this move is stirring excitement among car enthusiasts worldwide. But here's where it gets really interesting. Toyota isn't just reissuing old parts, they're reinventing them with modern technology and community input, breathing new life into one of the most iconic engines ever made. About 5 years ago, Toyota launched the GR Heritage Parts Program, a dedicated effort to recreate components for some of its most cherished classic cars. This includes fan favorites like the 3rd and 4th generation Supras, vintage Land Cruisers, and even the ultra-rare 2000 GT. The program didn't stop at high-end models. It also embraced more accessible sports cars such as the AE86 Corolla Levin and Sprinter Trueno. Initially, the focus was on reproducing select chassis parts for a limited period. But now, Toyota has taken a significant leap forward. Just this week, Toyota announced it will begin producing reproduction engine parts for the AE86's highly sought-after 1.6-liter, 16-valve 4A GE 4-cylinder engine. This is a game-changer for AE86 owners who have struggled to find reliable replacement parts for their beloved engines. What makes this development even more impressive is Toyota's commitment to quality and community feedback. The new cylinder head and block sub-assemblies aren't mere copies. They're crafted using modern materials and precision manufacturing techniques. For instance, engineers have thickened the walls of the intake and exhaust ports in the block subassembly, a direct response to requests from AE86 enthusiasts gathered at various events. This kind of collaboration between manufacturer and community is rare and shows Toyota's dedication to preserving the car's legacy. Thanks to advances in manufacturing, these new parts come with several improvements. The cylinder head's combustion chambers receive additional machining to help balance performance across engines that might have slight variations in compression ratios. Moreover, a special coating on the intake ports smooths out surface imperfections that could otherwise hinder engine efficiency. Toyota has also added more camcap knock pins, which enhance the ease and accuracy of assembly. The engine block itself benefits from modern precision machining that wasn't achievable 4 decades ago. Using a more rigid cast iron alloy and redesigning the crankcap structure, supported by computer simulations, Toyota has made the block more durable and reliable. The design now includes bosses and ribs that allow the engine to be mounted transversely, opening possibilities for front-wheel drive applications beyond the original rear-wheel drive AE86 models. If you happen to be in Japan this weekend, Toyota will debut these new engine parts at Fuji Speedway during the initial D30th anniversary event, a perfect occasion for fans to get their hands on these rare components. For those outside Japan, obtaining these parts might be more challenging, especially with current international shipping hurdles. Still, Toyota is actively selling over 200 parts across 8 classic models through this program, signaling a strong commitment to supporting vintage car owners. This initiative raises some intriguing questions. Should more manufacturers follow Toyota's lead in reviving classic car parts with modern improvements? Or does this risk diluting the authenticity that makes these cars special? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you think updating classic parts enhances or detracts from the original experience? Share your opinions in the comments below.